Hey, good morning, folks. This is Jerome Crawford with the Tradeline Pros. Today's video is going to talk about the Black Z card and my first 5 days on it and what I've done since I started, the number of folks I have, the sign up process, what to expect. So let's go ahead and get started. So as a Black Z card holder now, I haven't got my card yet. This is day 6 of 5 days. I signed up on July 9th. Today is the 15th. I haven't got my card yet. Um, but what I did do is I decided to create a couple websites. I have to shout out to Brian Weaver and the Awesome Life Group. They actually taught me how, that's a credit repair team. They actually taught me how and taught me what trade lines were and what they're used for and how that improves your credit score, especially though when you're trying to get that new house or car. Now you got primary trade lines, about $26,000 worth of primary trade lines that will report your credit in 30 days. I have a video on here on this site that will actually show you that. In addition, I have links to the trade lines that you could use to get that 26,000. Also, there are, if that's not enough, I do have information about AUs and what they are, authorized users, and how to get them and the cost and where to get them. Another team that we've worked with. So to move forward, again, I went out here and I want to sign up for the Black Z card. I went to TradelinePro.com, sign up, and under sign up, you see the link that says get the Black Z card. Click on that, and that takes you into the members area where you can sign up. Now, you have to actually be sponsored by another card holder, and in this case, you'll see my name up there and my number. If you don't have a sponsor, you can always use me and to get signed up. When I first signed up, the number of card holders were 6,700. That was 5 days ago. They've up to, and when I finally got my card, I was 7,004. When I finally got my account and my number, that was 7,004. So now it's at 7,131. So since I first saw this opportunity a week ago and signed up and logged on, uh, they've gone up about 300 cards. So the business side of this is phenomenal. The compensation plan is really good, and I didn't understand the financial benefits of this card. I was going after the trade line and to repair my credit, but this opened up a new opportunity for me. And I'm going to share with you in a second. Um, so let's go and get started. So if you wanted to log on, what you would do, order a card, you go to order now, make sure your sponsor's name is up here. And again, if you don't have one, you can always use mine. Add your email address here. Hit continue. Make sure your sponsor's name is here with their phone number. Or if you don't have one, again, you can always use mine. VIP. So now you're looking at where you want to be. Now me, um, um, I was going for the $10,000 trade line. So it starts with $5,000 credit booster, and it's at $70 a month. I added that to my cart. However, you don't want that. You want the business opportunity. You can always go for the VIP affiliate plan at $1,000, and that's $20 a month, or the auto affiliate plan, which is $2,500. And these things will report to the credit bureaus if you need to, or if you want a business, you only wanted $1,000 or $2,500 trade line credit. You can use these plans here. Me again, I'm looking at the 5,000 because I want the $10,000 trade line reporting to my credit bureaus. Okay, so now they have different cards here in various prices. Now the standard card is $40. Then they have a $50 card here, and then the specialty cards are $100. I went with the specialty card because I'm former military, and this is the card that I went with. And with that, it's added that to my cart. That's $100. Now, again, I don't have a business, so an unlimited Visa wouldn't work. It doesn't make sense to me. But the MasterCard does. These are all FDIC insured savings accounts that you put your money in. and I believe it's insured up to 250,000. So at 15,000, I shouldn't have to worry about it. These are secured debit cards. You have to put money in to take money out. So just want to make sure you're aware. This isn't a credit line. This is a credit limit. You can put money in there up to 15,000 and take out 15,000 of your money. So I add that to my card, my account, my cart there. And now this is where I got the double your credit booster. So it's a $200 a year payment, and that's added to the card as it stands right now. But it's $200 and it boosts that $5,000 credit limit up to $10,000. This is what reported each month to the credit bureaus. It also puts you in elite bonus status, which gives you other bonuses that they have, and those are different videos. I'll show you those. Wholesale credits, again, it'll give you the different wholesale credits as well. So I had to get this to get the $10,000 bonus upgrade. I didn't do anything with this card, the sample card display, because I wasn't there yet when it comes to the business side. So I skipped that one and I went down here to shipping. Internationally it's $50 to ship the card. In the U.S., it's $10. Click that. Came down to checkout. And if there's something here you don't want, mine is $400. That's what I end up paying. But again, I went with the $100 card. Now you could drop it down to, if that's too pricey, you can always go down to about $360, $340 for a card, and that still gets you the $10,000 trade line. So I wanted all of them, so I just said check out. Added my information in here, and what happens is they're not going to charge a credit card today, but what they're going to do is they're going to send you an invoice. And let me pull up that invoice real quick. Pull up the invoice. So this invoice that ZTegrity actually sends you. Again, they don't charge your card. You have to submit with a card, but they don't charge your card. They send this invoice verifying that this is what you want, this is the price that you want to pay, and it's due upon receipt. Again, I signed up on September 9th, and I paid it the same day, so I was able to get my account number. They do send you a receipt, and once you make the payment, this is what it is. Your payment of $400 has been sent, and they send you a receipt verifying the payment got there. So once you do that, then they give you a logon to your ZBlackcard site. I'm sorry, they don't. Prior to even paying, you get a logon to the ZBlackcard site. We're going to log in. And you'll see what it looks like. So after you get in, you get your logon, and this is what it looks like when you log in. Now, since I've joined, I have 2 people. When you start to get people, as you see here, eight to go to founder. That's because 2 people have signed up within the last 5 days. Let me show you that. Personally sponsored, and then you'll see the 2 people that you sponsored, their promo IDs and their VIP rewards and the emails and stuff like that. You go home. I'm still working on this. So there's a nice compensation plan you can go through and look at. But that's basically it on setting it up and getting started. Once you get started, you can go through, and I'll have other videos on the inner workings of the member site and what the Z license is. They have a lot of different offerings that one could actually look at and a line of income, a lot of different products. But the back office has all your information. Now, your payments can only be paid with the Z card once you get it. So your monthly payments, you have to put a credit card on file for that. And and it's going to be your Black Z card for the payments. So that's all for now. It's going to be a little quick video on how to sign up and what's going on in my first 5 days, my first 6 days. So there I am. If you like the videos, you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the subscribe and let me know. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you next video.